Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beautiful Resin. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I will bring for you beautiful ideas about colorful epoxy resin, beautiful coasters, beautiful rings, keychains, similarly jewelry, etc. Today I am making alphabet S keychain for one of my client with beautiful color combination, white and golden, with the help of epoxy resin and white acrylic color paint and golden flecks. It will look very beautiful. You see what a shiny and graceful color combination. You can also make just like that. These are also great ideas. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.